everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, the moment that everyone has been waiting for, the winner of Idols SA competition season 18 is Thapelooooo. A big congratulations to him. He really deserves to win this competition guys. He gave it all until nothing was left from his side. Actually, njengomzansi we find ourselves very confused ukuthi sizovotela bani the way ekade ama consistent ethu egudi ngakhona. We reach a stage where we say they all deserve to win, which was so impossible guys. To Unozi, thank you so much Sisi for all your hard work. You proved yourself and now umzansi wonke uyakwazi, and I'm sure they will support you kunoma yini ozoyenza from now on. Once again, congratulations Thapelooooo. Guys, sifike emaphethelweni ale competition. I hope you are happy till we meet again next year, season 19. If you want to enter the competition, you might as well start to prepare yourself for sikhona tina sikhona sizokuvotela wena girl noma wena bhuti. That's what I have for today guys. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.